How to change your profile picture on Discord. Hello everybody and welcome to this video where I'm going to show you exactly how to change your profile picture on Discord, but make sure that you watch this video until the very end so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. What you will need to do first is to head into your settings on your mobile and then find the Discord app. You will need to allow the Discord app to either access to all of your photos or just choose a few selected photos. Without this access, you will not be able to change profile picture on Discord. So when I've done that, I will need to go back into my Discord app on my mobile, and then I will need to click on this smiley face in the bottom right corner and then click on the profile picture right here. After you have done that, then you will need to click on this pen right here. Then just select a photo that you want to have as your profile picture. After you have done that, click where it says choose. And then when you have done that, don't forget to click on save in the top right corner. And just like that, I have now changed my profile picture on Discord. If this helped you out, then I would appreciate if you could leave a like on this video, comment if you have any questions, and I will do my very best to try to help you. And also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I'm doing these kind of helpful videos every day. Thank you for watching and have a good day.